G'day everyone, this is Brent from MY50 Motorcycles. I just thought I'd give you an update on our auction pages. We've now made it possible for you to set search criteria up that will allow you to get notifications when the bikes you're looking for are available on auction. So that means you don't have to log on every single day to look for bikes. You'll get emailed when the bike you're looking for comes through. So how do you do that? Well, first of all, obviously you log on by clicking onto the register here. If you haven't got an account already, feel free, you can register here as well. Otherwise you log in. So once I'm inside the auction pages, I'll be through to my search criteria here, my search lists. For this example, I'm going to set up a search term for Honda Gorillas. So what I do is I just go down, I look for the Gorillas over here. Where are they? There we go. We got 8 Gorillas coming up. But for future, I want to be sure that whenever a Gorilla comes up, that I get notified that it's available for auction. So before I go search over here, what you want to do is you want to tick this box over here and then put a name in. So you can see here, I've already set up for Monkey and Dax. I'm now going to set up for a Gorilla. I then hit the search bar there, and it will bring up all the Gorillas that are available. So those are the Gorillas that are available for this specific search criteria, but because I've set up an alert next week and the next week and the next week, every time there's a Gorilla that comes available, it will notify me to my emails. So what that will look like is, let me just go to my emails over here. This is an example of the email that I've just been sent. These are all the monkey bikes and all the Dax that are going to be on auction this week, actually tomorrow, Friday. And so these are the 2 search criteria that I've just recently set up. In addition to this, now I'll have the Gorilla, which you've just witnessed how we did that. So if I click on one of these, it'll then take me through to the auction site where I'll be able to see and view the bike. So there we go. There's a little monkey that's available, and obviously you can go through the list of all the monkeys to see what it is you want to buy. This works for any bike, whether it's a Harley Davidson, a monkey, or whatever. So there you go, happy bidding. I hope that helps you find the bike that you're looking for. Also, just a reminder that if you are uncertain about how to bid, what advice you need on approximate pricing or whatever, feel free to go to our auction pages, and if you scroll down to the bottom, you can see that you can book a training over here. You can also go to the contact us page, contact us over there, and you can book an online meeting there if you want to, or just send me an email or give me a phone call. All our details are there, and I'll gladly help you through the process of bidding on bikes in Japan. Thanks for your time today, everyone, and happy bidding. I hope you get the bikes you're looking for. Looking forward to chatting to all of you. Cheers.